Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Look what just came into the shop. It's a 68 A65 BSA, and it's a lovely bike. And the client built it himself. Very talented. It's beautifully done. Nothing I can really pick on the bike. It's here for a bunch of small things, you know, the old final tune up, get it running smooth, do this, do that. And this is going to be fun to work on. Isn't that pretty? So, first day in the shop. I'll try to get it up on the lift in the next week or so. Once I finish up the brakes on this guy and let him go, put the speedometer in this guy, let him go. This bike is sitting here completely done and ready to go. And the green fastback is up here with the engine spread all over my desk. Now, I just found in a box of goodies the client brought over the long bolts that I thought were lost. So they're there. The stud that was missing. So I've got all that stuff here out of his box of bits. So actually, I'll have to double check, but I may be ready to put this engine back together. So anyway, that's where we are. All this stuff goes back in the green bike, which we've dubbed the Green Goddess, which at first was sort of pejorative, you know, sort of making a little fun. But actually, I like the name. And I'm going to refer to this lovingly as the Green Goddess because it's been a lot of fun. And I am going to take the timing cover off just to check the engine timing, because everything I found inside the engine, while bad, should not have stopped it from starting. So I am going to pull the timing cover off. That's where we are. That's the status of the shop, and I'm looking forward to working on this little beezer here. And that's the way it is in Lake Woebegone, where all the men are handsome, the children above average. Anyway, something like that. I used to love that show. I wish he was still around. Okay, that's the status of the shop, and it's getting a little long in the time. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 100 and some odd degrees. I did bring the cooler in, but it's too noisy to leave running when I'm videoing, so I just turned it off. So that's the status of the shop. We will talk again tomorrow sometime.